Well, hello there people, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you some detailing work that I'm currently working on my Lancer Evo6 TME edition, and it pretty much goes for whichever car you're working on. If you're trying to bring any car back to OE spec, this little detail is super important, at least I think so. Let me show you what I'm trying to improve. So can you spot it, people? Yes. Check that out. This does not belong here. They're supposed to look like this, these hose clamps, but this one's been bugging me for a long time, and today it suddenly appeared to me that, oh shit, Stefan, you got one that looks a lot better, but still not original, but at least looks a lot better. And that is often the case, making stuff look better. Check this out. So let's put that on there instead of that hideous one there. Yeah, that looks so much better. Ain't that pretty, people? Yes. So there you go. I even tidied it up a bit and hid that screw down there so you can't see it when you're looking at it like this. Come on, camera, focus. So yeah, so that was all, people. I hope you liked it. See you guys later. Bye bye bye. People, I just wanted to show you that my cars are not always clean. I do use them, you know. Check it out. The video doesn't do the dirt justice. It's a lot dirtier than it looks like, actually, because silver makes the car look cleaner than it is, though the wheels that I'm showing are not exactly silver, but hey,